In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear all browsing data in DuckDuckGo Browser if you're looking for a quick, reliable way to wipe your open tabs, history, cookies, and cache all at once. DuckDuckGo's Fire button makes it incredibly simple. This is especially useful if you're on a shared device, troubleshooting a website, or you just want a fresh start for speed and privacy. First, open the DuckDuckGo privacy browser on your device. You'll recognize it by the familiar duck icon. Make sure you're opening the browser app itself, and not just the DuckDuckGo search inside another browser. If the app recently updated, the layout might look a little different, but the process remains the same. Once you're in the app, look for the Fire button, the small flame icon. Depending on your device, it's usually in the top corner or on the bottom toolbar. It's designed to be easy to spot because it's your one-tap path to a clean slate. If you're on a tablet or using a different screen size, the placement might shift slightly, but the flame icon is the key visual cue. Go ahead and tap the Fire button. When you do, DuckDuckGo will bring up a confirmation prompt. This is there to prevent accidental clearing, since this action is powerful and immediate. You're not diving into settings or hunting for hidden menus. Everything is right on the surface, so you can act quickly. On the prompt, choose Clear All Tabs and Data, or the closest equivalent wording you see. Confirming this will close every open tab and erase local browsing data. That includes your recent history, cookies, cache, and site storage. It also signs you out of websites that rely on cookies, which is great for privacy, but it does mean you'll need to log back in the next time you visit those sites. This action can't be undone, so take a quick moment to make sure you don't have anything important open. A couple of notes to keep in mind. Your bookmarks, app settings, and general preferences are not removed by the Fire button, so your saved sites remain intact. If you've previously set some sites to stay logged in using DuckDuckGo's fireproofing feature, those may persist even after clearing. That's expected behavior and helps with convenience while still giving you a fresh browsing start elsewhere. And that's it. Open the app, find the flame, tap it, and confirm Clear All Tabs and Data. It's fast, thorough, and designed to protect your privacy while keeping your browsing experience smooth. Use it anytime you want a clean slate.